I'm Eric. We are here at the Backlight booth during NAB 2024. I'm a sales engineer, and I want to give you an overview on what we are doing and how we can handle different technologies and how we can approach new technologies such as AI, for example. Backlight offers a broad portfolio of solutions, and we can cover from creative to the distribution side. We have different platforms, different tools that we can probably talk about. And when we talk, for example, today AI, which is such a buzzword and a lot of people doing different things, Backlight is handling different tools and different capabilities, trying to offer the best workflow for our customers. For example, we have Iconic right here on the screen. Iconic is a media asset management where we can manage things, we can collaborate, we can work together, different teams across the globe, so people can work and share content, they can approve, they can go on over different kind of workflows. And when we take a look on Iconic, because we're handling media asset management, one of the key things that most of people try to do today, how they can manage huge volume of data and how can you find the proper content from your archives. And AI can help a lot of that on the sense that we can use, for example, audio transcription. That's maybe a simple thing that saves a lot of time for the users and editors, because you can search by word, you can search by the script, it makes it easy to find any piece of content. So when we get to Iconic, we have all different assets that people are working with, they are producing different content. It could be content during production, could be finished content that you already produced and you just want to distribute for different platforms, maybe you want to monetize on that, and we have all the different types of metadata we can work with, including all the, let me see here, all the metadata for transcription as well, which will be enabled on the platform. So that's just one example when we talk about AI and what we can do on the production side and how we can leverage that to save time and make things much faster for the creative teams. Another tool that we also have offering over the Backlight family of products and solutions, we also have Wild Mocha. Wild Mocha, we can cover live production and most of the time live clipping to social media, digital destinations. And when we talk about doing really fast to delivery content, so for example news, sports, time to deliver content is really key, and that's what makes the difference for the audience. You need to be the first one to engage your audience. And back again, you can do things manually with editors on the traditional way, and the way the platform works, it provides a lot of, let me open here the screen, it provides a lot of tools and a lot of capabilities, so you can have a live incoming feed, and while you have the live program, you already start to, let me go here back again, and I can just start clipping, changing content, and start to push content anywhere. And we can do horizontal, we can do vertical, because today most of platforms, they also look for vertical content. That's one of the big trends for audience. Audiences are consuming just on the go, on mobile, and everywhere. And we leverage AI for different kind of use case. One of them, also another buzzword, is using AI for the creative, right? Like ChatGPT and all that stuff. We use our own large language models technology, so we don't really rely on third party. We don't provide any customers' data for anybody else. It's only within the platform to keep security and privacy for your data. And basically what we can do with a very simple click in a tool, we use all the metadata coming from audio, from EPG, from closed captions, and we generate all the metadata like titles, tags, and all the information you need to put on social media. That's one example how we try to leverage AI to make things faster. So we save time for producers and editors. They can just use the information, and maybe they can do human curation to improve that kind of tagline. So that's one example. Another one that we can use as well, when we talk about doing clips, you can do clips manually, but when we talk about sports, we also offer automation. What is automation? Automation, we leverage AI capabilities to find the nice spot of content and build story for you. So we have a service that we call Storybot, and Storybot, basically what it does, during a live game, so maybe you have a touchdown, or maybe you have just a baseball hit and home run, all the key moments, it's being registered during the game, and all those metadata is being populated automatically by AI. And once you have that content, maybe you can do near live clipping, so you can do really live to any distribution platform really quickly. You don't need to have a human intervention, but you can also use that kind of tool to produce much more content leave your editors just to curate the content and also build nice stories. So you can build much more stories faster and get more audience. And that probably will impact your monetization revenue, right? So that's how we look for technology and how we can probably leverage all of them to make things easier and faster for our customers.